How to see linked devices on WhatsApp. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First of all, let's move ahead by updating our WhatsApp. So head over to your Play Store. Simply search WhatsApp Messenger. If your application shows update, you can simply tap on update and update your app. Now, if it shows open, that means your application is already updated and you should leave that as it is. Open up your WhatsApp application then. As you do so, you will see a page like this. Make sure that you are logged into your specific WhatsApp account number. Tap on the three-dot icon on your top right-hand side. Then you will see linked devices. Open that button, and at this page, you will see all the devices that you have linked your WhatsApp account with. In case you don't recognize any of these devices, tap onto it, then tap on Logout. Likewise, in case you would like to link a device, you can simply tap on Link a Device and simply link a device with your account number. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.